I decided that I should probably buy myself a pickup and pretend to buy it for Teresa and see if I can make her happy. That's how anniversaries work, isn't it?
Hey guys, I'm so excited to share with you my anniversary present. Some of you know that I've been looking for some yard art. Well, JF surprised me last week. We brought it home just this week, and here is Tin Lizzie.
Look at that. Looks fairly complete.
Wow. I'm so happy.
So last week I just about forgot our anniversary, and I decided that I should probably buy myself a pickup and pretend to buy it for Teresa and see if I can make her happy. That's how anniversaries work, isn't it? My good buddy Glenn had it kicking around in pieces. So the cool thing is he basically helped me assemble it right on site before I left his house, so that by the time I got it home, it looked like a truck and looked awesome. So thank you, Glenn and Courtney. You're the best.
I have to find some heels to match this now, Courtney.
Crazy thing about this one is its condition. Look at all the areas that are normally rusty and how perfect they are. All the lower areas are just perfect. Including this Ford script coil that has never been off the car. It's even that nice underneath.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a pretty solid one, eh?
Watch the gear shift knob there now.
It's like you've done this before.
Yeah. A time or two.
Just like that. Loud.
So this is a 1928 Model A Roadster Pickup. Very rare. Very rare. Very similar to the 29 Ford Roadster that we did for America's Most Beautiful Roadster. That was a 29 on 32 rails. Yeah. Got a set of extra lights in the back here. And a Aruga. Perfect. I might have to put a little patina juice on her.
All right, I'll take over from here. Here's why we're excited about it and why I get excited about this stuff. Look at the floors in this truck. Look at the minimal rust here. Even down in the bottom corners, it's beautiful. The motor still turns over, so there is a chance that if we can find a weekend sometime this summer, maybe we can make it fire. Right now, I'm really excited because it looks great at our house. And my bride's excited.
Yeah.
Happy anniversary, baby.
Thank you. Love
You're
you.
welcome.
Ford truck. Brought home, and she is going to live here for a long time.
Oh, you're such a gentleman. Ah, that's nice.
Now let's pick you out a shiny new radiator cap.
For me, you sure know how to treat a girl.
Ah, shucks. Do you really like it?
I do. I really do.
And the rest is history.
Subscribe to our buddy's channel.
Killer Customs.
Killer Customs.
It'll kill you if you don't sign up.
So if you guys watch the video, if you like the video, do us a favor, like it.
Subscribe.
Share, subscribe.
See you guys.